In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to complete Hostile Takeover Tier 5 Zombies. For this, we need to loot 3 safes and kill 50 enemies while drilling safes. In order to find safes, we need to go into mercenary strongholds, and in order to open up the safe and get into them, we need to get a mercenary keycard, which we can get from mercenary camps such as this one here. So, approaching a mercenary camp here, just so we can get ourselves a mercenary keycard from it. You can of course buy these keycards, however, if you have extra cash. You'll find a counter UAV circling around it. You can simply get rid of that, and inside you'll find a bunch of these guards we need to get rid of. Do keep in mind zombies are still a thing, but of course the mercenaries should shoot at these zombies as well, making life a little bit easier. So after clearing it out, you'll be able to find a box somewhere. If you find a convoy, they'll be in the back of these, but in a box somewhere near the center of this place, you should find a mercenary keycard and usually some armor or possibly a backpack. Now with this item, we need to go ahead and head straight for a mercenary stronghold, such as, that's an infested one, so that's the wrong kind. All the way up here, this is a mercenary stronghold. We'll head straight for that and clear it out very similarly to the way that we did this one. Eventually, when you finish clearing it out, you should find that inside there's a safe that we can start drilling, calling in a set of reinforcements, and of course it should give us some pretty good loot. Heading across to the mercenary stronghold, you should find that it's pretty well guarded, but only on the inside really. Something like insta-kill is going to make this a lot easier. So we'll open it up, and inside you should usually find a right shield guard, which is very annoying to deal with, to say the absolute least. Oh, and not to mention there's reinforcements that come in now and reinforcements that come in later. That is when we're drilling the safe, however. Eventually, when you've cleared out the entire military stronghold, you'll find a loot cache. Simply hit F to start drilling it, and it'll take a few minutes to drill. Just make sure you're standing within the area in order for it to gain progress. That being said, it's a good idea to head outside, probably to a roof or something, so we can defend against the incoming reinforcements that are going to arrive very shortly. There we go. All we need to do is get rid of them, preferably before they come down. They're not exactly impossible to beat, but they are a lot angrier. So, getting rid of reinforcements, that's it. We can just chill until this thing's done. So, heading back to the drill, it's done, and now we've drilled a safe. On top of this, we need to kill enemies while drilling the safes, and upon looting it, now we've successfully finished the first part, or at least got progress on it. There we go. 1 out of 3, and out of 50 enemies killed, I assume we should maybe sprint up here if possible, start drilling the safe and then kill the enemies, and I would assume that killing zombies too also counts. We'll see. Anyways, we have a legacy stronghold key, not the best, but we can drill something in there too, which is in the level 2 zone somewhere here. There you go. But let's see if we can find another military camp, such as the one on the highway at the very north here, and get ourselves another military keycard. With that, we can do another military. Approaching another camp here. Let's clear this one out too. This one should be a little bit easier. There's a lot more cover. Now that we've cleared it, we need to find the safe, which should be somewhere in here. It might be in this building. I actually have no idea. This one maybe? I think this was the military camp actually. Yeah, this was a military camp. Okay, never mind. We got 2 keycards, but we can head across to 2 strongholds now. So we'll do this one first. Then we can instantly find another one as we already have 2 keycards. Let's see if we can somehow sneak around into the stronghold and find a safe first, and then get to killing everyone. That might actually be an option. Actually, I don't think that'll be possible. Let's maybe run around and find this safe first, start drilling it, and then get to killing. Actually, I don't think that'll be an option. I mean, maybe. Expect it to be somewhere on this top floor, right? No. Does it only spawn in once I've cleared it? Surely not. Maybe. Yes, it does. Unless I just ran past this. Anyways, we'll start the drill. Then we'll leave the area, maybe. Does this count as an enemy? 4? Still just 4. You? 5. Okay. Do you count? Still just 5. If I run out here and get rid of the U3, 4, 11. Okay, so now that it's on 11, can we just leave and find more things to kill? Is that a thing? Still just 11. Maybe we can head to a mercenary camp nearby and just get some kills here. That might be able to count. If it does, that's pretty broken, but hey, I don't mind. We're on 11. Let's find out if this counts. Getting up here. Do we go to 12? No. I actually have no idea. You? No. Okay. Do they just call in reinforcements? Is that a thing? No. Okay, I see. We're not actually going to do these. These do work and they get you a handful of kills, but what we're looking for is a raid weapon stash here. Instead, this mission calls in tons of reinforcements and should actually get us not only a safe that we can drill, but tons of enemies too. That makes a lot of sense. We got safe unlocked. Let's quickly loot it, take everything we need, and let's head across to a raid weapon stash stash contract that should get us a ton more things to kill in a much shorter time and get us where we need to be. Okay, so we had to see a mission inside of something like this, but okay, I guess we'll clear it out and grab the mission then. Alright, so picking up a raid weapon stash contract, now things should go a lot faster. Oh, and this is our third save. You could probably do one of these, get all the kills that you need, and do the other saves in merc camps, but anyways, being ready for it this time, let's go to the raid weapon stash contract, and inside of here, some loot obviously, that'll help, that'll definitely help, actually maybe not. Here we go, we can start drilling this save here, and assuming we wouldn't die to a single zombie, does this count? 11? Nope, still just 11. Anyways, more things should come in and start fighting us. Oh, that did count. Okay, does this count? Yes. Okay, very weird that zombie kills count now, whereas only people kills counted earlier, but anyways, do we need to be in the area? No, actually, we just need to get kills. Well, this makes life a lot easier. All we need to do is run around and keep getting things done until the raid weapon stash mission is complete. There should be a handful of these around the map, so we should be able to get this done very quickly. Yeah, we're already at 28, whereas we were only at 11 from merc camps. I think we might actually finish this in one go. Yeah, actually, there we have it. When this mission completes, we'll be done. We got all of these zombie kills. So there we go, we're done. That was actually super easy. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video somewhat useful. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.